Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna join another airdrop called Pharos. Pharos is a high-speed, scalable, and decentralized layer 1 blockchain network. If you visit their website, you'll find all the details about their project. As you can see, they've raised 8 million in funding, and it's a confirmed airdrop. If you look at their investors, you can see some well-known names backing them. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have 171k followers right now and share lots of updates here, which is another positive sign for a project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join this airdrop, I'll provide a link, and after clicking that link, you will be redirected to this page. Here, first you need to connect your wallet. Try to choose the MetaMask wallet, then click connect. Then you need to switch networks. So click switch, then approve, then continue, confirm. Here, don't forget to claim your daily check-in. As you can see, there are lots of tasks. You need to complete them all. For that, here, you can increase your level. We first complete the basic social tasks. Click follow. Then authorize app. And Twitter is binding successfully. Now again, click follow. And then follow their X account. Here, click verify. So it's done. Again, repost this tweet and click verify. Now click reply. Write something in the comment. Go back, click verify, and it's done. Now join their Discord. Click authorize. And it's also binding successfully. Now again, click join. Then accept invite. Then click verify. Then continue. Again continue. And then solve the captcha. And it's done. Now click here to get your role and tap all three here. And here you can see the role details. Now go back and click verify. And it's done. As you can see, I am so close to level 3. Now we need to complete these tasks as well. For that, first you need to claim the faucet. Go to the home page, scroll down and you'll see a faucet option. Solve the captcha. Claim now. And as you can see, I've got 0.2 PHRS tokens. You can also check this website and claim the faucet as well. Create an account, put your address and claim tokens. After that, go back and click swap. And you'll land on this page. Here, connect your wallet. Basically, you need to swap tokens. For example, here I'll choose USDC. Then you need to choose the amount to be swapped. Then click swap and confirm. So it's done. Again, click this arrow. And now here select WPHRS. Then click swap. Then approve and swap. Then confirm. Now wait a bit. And here you complete both swaps for the testnet. Now we need to provide liquidity. Click deposit. Then click new pool. And here I'll select USDC. Then I'll choose this option. And here I'll select 5 USDC. Then approve and confirm. Now you need to wait for it to complete and it's also done. In the faucet section, you can claim USDC and USDT testnet tokens. Click here in the analysis section, select USDC, then choose PHRS token, put any amount, and then click swap, then confirm swap, confirm. So this testnet task is also complete. Now click here, send to friend. Here you can send any amount of tokens to your friends or your own different account to complete the task. Finally, you can share your referral link with friends. That's it for this video. I'll provide all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.